Hello everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the Go video. So this is gonna be a Father's Day Sunday special car show here in Fort Lauderdale. So this is the first street car show here on Father's Day Sunday. So we got the GoPro here. I'm gonna strap you on my head and we're gonna get a little POV as we walk around and check out some of these cool cars. It's actually been a while since I've been to this show here. Got a nice Jaguar SUV, A12, beautiful Porsche, and Aventador. That's pretty sick. Wow. 812 GTS. Nice roof here. Always love a good convertible. Hardtop convertible is where my heart's at though. Wow. Awesome. This is like the same, this is an SV, but I mean, the roof coming off, just like the black and white one that I take care of. That's pretty cool. Wow. Got a Huracan. Oh, we got a Lotus. That's different. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen a Lotus in a long time. We got a Demon. That's cool. I love this red. That's such a pretty red. Oh, wow. This is a gorgeous front bumper. Look at that. All the carbon and the different vents. Wow. Ooh, red with the forged carbon. Okay. Beautiful. I've seen this McLaren before. That's cool. Wow. Pilot Super Sport 4Ss. These tires are fantastic. I had these tires on my Audi A5 and just absolutely phenomenal tire. Let's see. It's revving it a little bit. Got pop-up headlights. Nice fenders too. Love these Audis. If I was in a financially stable place, I would get a first gen R8. Such a cool car. C7 with a ZR1 front bumper. MC20. I think I'm saying MC40 before, guys. I apologize about that. XT5 or XT, yeah, XT5, not XT6. John, I don't know why we don't know our cars today, my friend, but we're having a good time.
Let me show you something, right?
I mean, yeah, it's
Pretty loud.
It's loud.
So John is an awesome follower. He just checked out some Zesty Wash. I mean, this is some colored snow foam. If you guys want to check it out, zestywash.com, or you can check it out on TikTok. Everything is the same. Every handle, Zesty Wash. Comes out pink. It's strawberry scented, and I appreciate it, John. Thank you.
So we'll have to check this out. I'll have to do a little video on this, see how I think of it, but thank you very much for taking the time.
Yeah, give it a demo. Let me know what you think.
Yeah, sweet. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Well, that was super cool. Not expected. Totally random sequence in the vlog right there, but some cars are pulling out. Oh, we could hear that BMW revving away. So we're gonna stand by the curb. This show ends at about 1 o'clock, so in about 10 minutes. So I think we're gonna start to get some people who are pulling out. Let's see what we get. Maybe this M5 will do something. Oh, okay, a little bit of a launch. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty cool. Speaking of Father's Day, imagine if your dad had a BMW M5. That'd be pretty cool. We got a Porsche here. That's cool. What is this EcoBoost Mustang doing? Noise. Aye, aye, aye. I think this is our cue to roll out. Well, if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Not planned. But as we are pulling out, all those cars from the show are pulling out too. I knew they were all cruising out together somewhere. This was the spot I should have been at.